Going to look at setting up our machine and starting to do a straight stitch. Now you will notice that my machine has seen a bit of action. I purchased this machine from an op shop and had it serviced, and it's doing a fabulous job and I just love it. So if you can't afford a machine, have a look at your secondhand stores and see what's available. So to begin with, we want to select the straight stitch, and each machine is going to be different, so you might have to grab the manual or download it for your machine. So we select straight stitch at the top here, and we don't want any width on the stitch, so I've selected 0. This is the buttonhole button. We're not doing buttonholes. This is the backwards and forwards button, probably got a better name than that, and it also is the knob for lengthening your stitches. So once we have got that sorted, we grab our piece of fabric. Now I'm sewing in black today just so that you can see just better. So I would take the stitches, take the threads, pull them to the back. This is to stop the thread getting tangled in the bottom when you start stitching. Put the foot down. That's the button, the lever there for raising and lowering the foot on your machine. Once we have lowered the foot, then we need to turn the knob that lifts the needle up and down. Place the needle into your fabric. Put your foot on the pedal and start stitching. To lock the stitch in place, you then lift the lever up on my machine like that, and it goes backwards. Put it down and continue forwards. And there you are, sewing the straight. Now pull the thread out at the back of the machine. On that little lever there should be a cutting piece, or you can just cut it with the scissors. Of course, we would discuss, if we were sewing a garment, we would discuss how far from the edge of the fabric you need to sew, but not in today's tutorial. So happy sewing!